In today's video, I'm going to teach you updating Python on Raspberry Pi. We're going to use the built-in apt package manager, which is the safest and most reliable way to move your system Python to the latest version supported by your specific Raspberry Pi OS release. This approach keeps dependencies in sync and avoids the breakages that can happen when compiling from source or mixing installers. Start by opening a terminal on your Raspberry Pi. Before changing anything, we'll refresh the package index so your Pi knows about the newest packages available from the official repositories. Type sudo apt update and press enter. This doesn't install updates yet, it simply downloads the latest package lists from your configured mirrors. Depending on your network speed, it might take a minute or two. If you see any temporary mirror errors, running the command again often resolves them. Once the package lists are up to date, apply the upgrades with sudo apt full upgrade. This is more thorough than a basic upgrade because it can install or remove packages as needed to complete the update safely. You'll likely be asked to confirm changes, read the summary, then approve to continue. The process can take a while, especially if there are firmware or kernel updates alongside Python. Avoid powering off during this step and be patient if it appears to pause. Large packages and dependency changes can take time. If you're prompted to restart services during the upgrade, follow the on-screen guidance. At the end, you may be asked to reboot. That's normal after deeper system updates. With the upgrade complete, let's verify your Python version. In the terminal, run Python 3 version and press enter. You should see the installed Python 3 release number printed out. Note that we use Python 3 rather than Python because on Raspberry Pi OS, the Python command may not point to Python 3, or it may be reserved for legacy setups. The version you see here reflects the latest one packaged and tested for your Raspberry Pi OS, which prioritizes stability over bleeding edge features. A quick tip if you use virtual environments, they're tied to a specific interpreter. After a system upgrade, existing environments won't automatically switch to the newer Python. If you want them to use the updated version, recreate those environments with the new Python 3. That's it. You refreshed your package lists, performed a full system upgrade, and confirmed the Python version, all using apt, the most dependable path on Raspberry Pi.